In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to smoothly fade audio clips using transitions in your editing software. This technique is essential for creating professional-sounding audio, whether you're producing podcasts, videos, or any kind of multimedia presentation. So, let's dive right in and get started. First, locate the audio clip in your timeline that you want to apply a fade to. This could be at the beginning or the end of the clip, depending on what effect you're going for. Once you've selected your audio clip, it's time to move on to the next step. Navigate to the top menu and open the Effects panel. If you can't spot it right away, you can find it by going to the Window menu and selecting Effects from the drop-down list. This will give you access to a variety of audio and video transition options that can be applied to your project. Now, once in the Effects panel, you'll want to expand the Audio Transitions section. Within this, you'll see another category called Crossfades. Expanding this will reveal a few different options for audio transitions: constant gain, constant power, and exponential fade. Each of these transitions has a slightly different characteristic in how they affect the sound. For most purposes, the constant power transition is a popular choice because it creates a smooth, natural fade. However, feel free to experiment with the others to see which suits your specific project best. To apply a fade out, simply click and drag your chosen transition to the end of the audio clip. Conversely, if you're looking to create a fade in effect, you'll want to drag the transition to the start of the audio clip. Once you've applied the transition, you'll notice that it appears in the timeline on the audio clip. The duration of this transition can be adjusted to control how fast or slow the fade happens. To do this, hover over the edge of the transition in the timeline until you see a double-sided arrow. You can then click and drag to shorten or lengthen the duration of the fade. Alternatively, for more precision, double-click on the transition itself to open a dialog box where you can manually input the exact duration you desire. With your transition adjusted, it's time to preview how your fade sounds. Play back your audio and listen to ensure the transition is smooth and fits the mood and pace of your project. Don't hesitate to make adjustments as necessary, whether that's altering the duration or testing a different type of fade to achieve the smoothest outcome. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to apply and adjust audio fades in your editing software. This technique can make a significant difference in the overall polish and professionalism of your work, so it's certainly worth mastering. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.